Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to change website name in Wix. So first is you have to go to the old sites and then select the site that you want to change the name. So for example, this one, you just have to click on edit site and then you'd be redirected to this page. So right here, just go to the left side and then click on settings and then select the website settings over here. So just click on it. And right here, you'd be able to see this is your site name. So you just have to change it according to your want. So say for example, I want to change the name of this to book area. And then after that, you just have to scroll down just a little bit until you can see here site's free domain. So you just have to change this one as well. And then once you're done, you just have to click on the save option at the top right. So this one, and then updating your site address. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. Now that you've done that, you just have to go back here and then go to your home and then click on edit site. Because even though you change the name of your site, it will not change the name that is on your page. So right here, you just have to delete this one or add a heading, or you can simply type out the new name of your site. Okay, so see for example, I will type out right here book area, and then after that, you just have to close it and then publish this once again to save your changes. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.